Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller, a PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region, and I'm joined today by Carmen Palmisano. She is CEO of Avvale PLM. Carmen,
Hi,
welcome to the studio.
thank you. Very pleasure to meet you today.
Carmen, today we're here to talk a little bit about the journey from execution to life cycle intelligence and how manufacturing is rethinking the digital thread. It's a really interesting topic, but before we get into it, could you tell us a little bit about Avale?
Yeah, Avvale is a global IT consulting company. I lead one company inside the group that is named Avvale PLM that work on topic about product lifecycle management. That means we manage all technical data of product from idea to engineering, manufacturing, and after sales. We are quite a new company. We are building some interesting software connected also between Rockwell solution and SAP. And yeah, we are very excited to be here.
Excellent. Carmen, let me ask you, manufacturing execution has traditionally been viewed as an operational concern. What forces are driving its elevation to a strategic executive level topic today?
Yes, for many years, manufacturing execution was demanding to the site manager only, but CEO now are struggling with the supply chain disruption and more regulation like ESG and traceability. And this is not just only to the product, but this changed the way our company have to react to the market. The fact is that the only things that all department across the company can share is the product, from R&D to after sales. And if we are able to connect the manufacturing data to the product life cycle, we really change the way our company can compete. This is why this topic is now in the CEO agenda.
Excellent. Carmen, many organizations talk about the digital thread, but they struggle to make it real. From your perspective, what does it take to truly connect design intent, production execution, and life cycle learning?
Digital product often is managed as a technology project, but in my opinion is more an organizational project where people, processes and responsibility are shared through a same view of product. And there are three main things that we have to achieve for this. And first is have engineering BOM synchronized in real time with manufacturing BOM. Second is when every product change needs to be shared across company with other department like after sales, quality, manufacturing through some workflow and information decision. And third, the engineers needs to know what's happening on the shop floor, and the production feedback needs to use to get the product more better and better. At Avvale, we named this product excellence. And when companies save 7 hours week per engineers and get 85% more traceability, this is not only about a digital product. This idea, this is how the digital product changed the way of working.
Absolutely. That's some interesting figures. Carmen, as execution systems generate richer real-time insight, how do you see their role changing in shaping product strategy, quality culture, and long-term innovation?
For many years, the information went only in one direction: engineering, design, and production execute. But now the information are go back again to the other way, and this completely changed the way of working. The information that comes from manufacturing are changing, are contributing to the product strategy. And when this happens, the company learn. And with good data, they are sending back to the boardroom, to the strategy. We create a quality culture that is based on data, on facts, instead of opinion. In a global company, this is the separation between the real continuous improvement of the product and the improvement that is only declared on paper.
Excellent insight, Carmen. Last question for you. Looking ahead, what mindset shift do executives need to make as manufacturing moves more toward intelligent and autonomous operations while keeping people central to value creation?
Yeah, the shift that we have to do is to stop thinking that autonomous operation will substitute people, because this is not true. Autonomous operation will handle the repetitive activity, make all the activity that has no added value work, but will give us all the data to make the people, to enable the people to make informed decision, because also people are able to handle the unexpected. And there is also all the topic related to innovation, to idea that will be not replaced. Avvale contains in its name the Latin word valeo, that means to be capable, to be stronger. Manufacturing will become more smarter, but we still need people that understand the big picture and make decisions that algorithms can do.
Excellent. Carmen, thank you so much for joining us in the studio today. It's been great to hear some of your insights into such an interesting topic.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about industrial automation and digital transformation, visit rockwellautomation.com.